How to get spare tire off GM Canyon only way. Most people get this wrong, but removing the spare tire from a GM Canyon is easier than it looks. You won't believe how one simple method works every time. Start by locating the spare tire underneath the truck bed. Find the small access hole near the tailgate, which houses the crank mechanism. Most GM Canyons include a tire iron or a dedicated crank handle in the toolkit. Insert the crank into the access hole and turn it counterclockwise. This lowers the spare tire from its mounted position. Keep turning until the tire rests on the ground and there is enough slack to remove it safely. Next, detach the tire. Some models have a locking bracket or retaining cable. Loosen it and slide the tire out carefully. Make sure to wear gloves if needed and avoid pinching your hands. The surprising truth is that many drivers try to pull the tire manually, risking injury or damage. Using the crank method ensures a smooth, safe removal every time. In conclusion, to get the spare tire off a GM Canyon, locate the access hole, use the crank to lower the tire, and release the retaining bracket. This method is quick, safe, and works on every 2025 Canyon model.